Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel if you're returning, or welcome to my YouTube channel if you are new. So today we're going to be continuing our little series. I guess it's not so much of a mini series anymore, on challenging SAT math problems. So this one is going to be from practice test 9. This one requires quite a lot of steps, so I definitely think it's very fitting to serve as today's challenge problem. Just as a reminder, guys, I am going to be dropping the link for our June SAT crash course in the description, as well as for our SAT math book, so make sure to go check them out. And guys, without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Alrighty, so here we are, practice test 9, SAT challenge problem of the day, practice test number 9, very exciting. Alrighty, so let's check it out. So they tell us that A is a constant, just means it's a number, nothing to stress out about. If the expression is equivalent to bx, let's go ahead and write that down. So if the expression is equal to bx, where b is a constant, what is the value of b? Okay, so there's a lot of mess going on this left-hand side here. Let's just go ahead and take care of that, FOIL, simplify, do what we gotta do. So 4x times ax is gonna be 4ax squared. 4x times negative 1 is going to be minus 4x. 4 times ax is going to be plus 4ax. And then 4 times negative 1 is going to be minus 4. And then we're going to go ahead and carry the rest down. Right here we have the negative x squared plus 4. And that's all going to be equal to bx. So first, let's go ahead and cross out any terms that are going to cancel each other out. So we see right here a negative 4 and a positive 4, so those are going to add to 0. And let's go ahead and arrange them with all of the x squareds in the front and then all of the x's after it. So we see an x squared here and here, so we're going to do 4ax squared minus x squared. And then we're going to do all of the x's after, minus 4x plus 4ax is equal to bx. So the key thing here that I want to point out is that this whole expression has got to be equal to bx, meaning the only term that we want remaining has got to be an x. There's no x squared, there's no number, there's just an x term. So what that means then is that on this left-hand side right here, this whole part has got to be equal to 0, because we don't want to have anything remaining that's an x squared, because they literally told us that the expression is equal to just an x as the variable. So what that means then is that we're going to have to make this part right here equal to 0. So whatever coefficient we have in front of the first x squared, which is here 4a, and whatever we have in front of this x squared, which is just a negative 1, we're going to assume that there's a 1 hidden here if we don't see anything. That needs to be equal to 0, so we can get all of the x squared terms to cancel out and just be left with the x's. So let's go ahead and set 4a minus 1, the coefficients that we have in front of the x squareds, equal to 0. We're going to add 1 to both sides, so we get then that 4a is equal to 1, or that a is equal to 1/4. Okay, so again, the reason why we did that is because when you plug in 1/4 right here, this becomes x squared, and then we have the minus x squared, so this part is equal to 0, so we don't even have to worry about the x squared anymore. So now that we know that a is equal to 1/4, we can go ahead and plug that in right up here. So we have negative 4x plus 4 times 1/4 x is equal to bx. So that's negative 4x plus x is equal to bx. That gives us negative 3x is equal to bx. So just matching up the equations on both sides, we have that b is equal to negative 3 as our answer here. So if b is equal to negative 3, that makes choice B, ironically, correct. So there we go. It's just about breaking it down, seeing what it's equal to, removing any terms that can't be there, and that's the end of it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope that you enjoyed and learned a lot about how to deal with the equation, expression matching, the difficult problems of that variety that appear on the SAT math section. Again, all of the links for our upcoming crash courses and our SAT math book are in the description linked below. And make sure to follow me on TikTok, guys. I go live on there a lot, post daily tips and tricks. The handle is test prep tips. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.